Okay, so this was my week back on at work. So most of this week has been, the last 4 days of it have been on at the ER. This is night 5 of 5 coming up. I'm in charge, so I got to go in a little bit early, so this is going to be kind of quick. Of the stuff this week, I did get to do a hike at the beginning of the week, which was Pyramid Rock. That was at Red Rocks Park, just outside Gallup here. When we do our daily walk, you can actually see Pyramid Rock, which was out that way. So Hiker and I are out here on the Pyramid Trail at Red Rocks State Park? Campground? Some sort of park. I don't know. Super pretty. It's probably 40s to 50s, but in the sun it's warm. And we're coming around this. Hopefully the stabilization keeps up here. Come around this, and I'm assuming that is Pyramid Rock. And that's where we're going. Super pretty here. Really nice view out this way. Super pretty. I know, bud. Alright, gonna take some pictures. Okay. Still here on the Pyramid Trail. It's up over 7,000 feet at this point, which Gallup is pretty high to begin with. Out here, I think that's either, although maybe this, the Hoodoos are in one of these places, and something's called Church Rock. I don't know if it's that, but super pretty view. Got my heart pumping a little bit. That's the pyramid right there, headed up there. Again, beautiful day. My buddy's having fun right here, aren't you, bud? This is gorgeous. Looks like there's kind of a valley out there. Super pretty. That's the way we came. Anyway, back to it. Alright, we're on top of Pyramid Rock. Look at this view. It's pretty, isn't it? Be fun to camp out here. Look at that. I was taking pictures and Hiker gets scared of the clicking sound in the camera, I think. There's some other folks up here. Just seen 4 people. We are, what does that say? 7,460 feet. That area out here looks kind of cool. So I think the next hike will be Church Rock, wherever that is. I'm gonna go find Hiker. Alright, head back down. So that was that. My birthday is today, so I am 35, which is kind of crazy. Another year behind us. So yeah. I think I mentioned in one of the last videos, I've got a plan to pay off the truck by the end of the year and the Airstream and the house in the next 4. So by the time I'm 40, we're looking at debt-free, which is kind of cool. Super excited about that. I'm still working on my top 10 things to do in 2021. I'll get that out next week, promise. Just didn't have time this week with with the work schedule. So the only other thing I will say is that I did come home to find a big puddle around, frozen puddle, around the hose. I have the water supply hose. It is a heated hose. I've got it wrapped with a bunch of insulation and heat tape. The filter is outside by the faucet, and I have it wrapped with heat tape and insulation. When I took it down, come to find out, the filter had, looks like it ruptured, like it had bubbled out, and the heat tape might have like burned in, I don't know. Anyway, replaced the filter, rewrapped it, put new insulation on. Hopefully that'll hold. We'll see how that goes. So family back home sent a birthday care package out, so I'm gonna open that and see what's going on with that. I was told to put it in the fridge, so we'll see. Right there. Alright, hopefully we'll stay focused. Let's see what we got. From Aunt Christy. Let's see. We've got some brioche rolls. Pretty good. What else here? Jennifer House cookies, molasses cookies. Always great with coffee. Let's see. Some loose Kisses and Rolos. Let's see what we got here. Got a Gouda cheese. That'd be good with the rolls. Happy birthday from all of us. Aw. Oh, some zebra candles. Cherry pie, glazed. I remember these as a kid. That's great. Okay, what do we got here? Candle, maybe? Save that. Ooh. Some sort of preserve. Ooh, lemon and lime curd. I actually really love this stuff. That has always been good. This is Darlington's. Okay. Got a letter right there. Another kiss. Some plates. Okay. Some napkins. A little party here. Okay, there's something over here. Sure we got everything. What is this? And some dry sausage. So that, the rolls, the Gouda cheese, plates, sweet little snack. Love it. Alright, let's see what we got over here. Looks like, so my aunt is working on a genealogy project, tracking down like our family tree, which is super cool. Kind of long letter, gotta get ready for work here, but I'm going to take this with me and probably read this at work and see what's going on. Would love to get into that. I've actually been curious about that recently. Yeah, great. So thank you guys so much. Appreciate the birthday gifts, the care package there. I will enjoy the meat and the cheese and the rolls. That's gonna be awesome. So I will see you guys next week. Sorry this is short. Looking forward to do another hike near that Pyramid Rock hike called Church Rock. Fill you in on that next week. And top 10 for next week, promise. See you then. Bye.